talking about that, Donna, we work with industry associations in creating digital logistics communities that will solve these airport, problems. It is never easy, but I can tell you, if the industry associations come together, okay, and use this right technology, you will see a sea of difference. And you can speak to other airports that have put this in place, right? You will see tremendous benefits in terms of sustainability. An average airport, let's say, which has about 6,000 shipments a day, and if you multiply that by the amount of paper that is handled, and even if you reduce just 10 copies of paper for a platform like this, annually you are saving 1,500 trees. Okay, that's where it comes. Apart from the CO2 emissions reduction, right? You can attract more cargo. So the membership of industry association benefits, and this is a model that we very successfully implemented across the world. We've just begun in North America, and I promise you, Donna, we're not going to stop. It will be slow, but it will be done. And you will see that there will be tremendous difference in cargo that is handled at the American ports, in the coming days. So that's our model. We work with industry associations, partner with them, go to the airport operators, go to the handlers, get them on board, and just solve this problem. So how does the truck congestion problem get solved? A bill of lading to a trucker digitally. The trucker knows what it needs to pick up. This information will also be put by the trucker on this kind of a portal, that's accessible to the handlers as well. And they can book a slot. They can say that I will send my truck at this time, and the ground handler knows how many trucks are coming, when are they coming, what kind of cargo are they bringing, and what kind of manpower do I need to have. Then when the truck goes to the airport, you rightly explained, using geofencing, the system automatically knows that Michael's truck has arrived in the airport vicinity. It's like Uber, right? You get to know that the driver is in the vicinity, and then automatically the next available door is assigned to the driver. And when the driver actually goes there, you have additional features available where the forwarders, if he has already kind of uploaded or sent the information on cargo to the handler, then the trucker doesn't have to wait there. That goes away, and cargo moves faster. So these are the things that the community system can bring to a local community. And I think industry associations play a very key role, a very pivotal role in changing the status quo. So that's how, Donna, it works. And I really hope that, we are able to work with NCBFA or the local associations in solving these problems, that they have. And some of these problems are not palpable, not visible, until you just step out and see how much more efficiency gain can be achieved through digitization in what we are doing today. And every adversity brings an opportunity, and pandemic has brought this opportunity, and let's not waste it. It's time that it happens.